Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to my Star Atlas recap of the latest Lore Keepers from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Lore Keepers was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, Atlas crew. If you've been keeping an ear to the ground, you already know the energy in the Star Atlas community is reaching a fever pitch. The latest Lore Keepers session kicked off with some absolutely massive news that sent shockwaves through the digital nation. After weeks of anticipation and plenty of community clamoring, the date for the next official Star Atlas Town Hall has finally been set. Mark your calendars, because in just a few days, the team is hosting an epic session that promises to lay out the future of everything the community has been asking about all year. But the town hall wasn't the only thing generating massive hype. The main event of the session was a deep dive into the development of the Sacred Star Atlas tabletop RPG campaign. The host officially congratulated the community members chosen for the first expedition and shared how the creative process has evolved. In a fascinating behind-the-scenes update, the team revealed they've written a massive 200-page rulebook, adapting the rich lore of Sage, crew cards, and species into a custom tabletop system. Interestingly, they also decided to pivot the campaign's setting. While it was originally planned to take place in the AI-dominated dungeons of Amber Coil, the campaign will now feature the legendary Light of Avisco. This classic Star Atlas storyline takes players to a mysterious planet on the frontier of the high-risk zone, where they will hunt for a highly coveted resource known as liquid light. To raise the stakes even higher, if the players successfully retrieve the liquid light, they'll receive a physical digital vial of the resource directly in their real wallets, with some vials being raffled off to the community members cheering them on. The discussion then shifted to how this custom game system actually works. Built from the ground up, the RPG relies on a simple, intuitive single D6 system, where players roll to determine successes, failures, and critical outcomes. Characters are defined by 5 core attributes: body, reflex, mind, instinct, and presence, along with 13 highly specialized skills. What makes the system so unique is its flexibility. Instead of rigid stat combinations, players are encouraged to creatively pair attributes and skills to match their roleplay. The host also broke down how each playable species brings a completely distinct flavor to the table. Mud characters, representing humanity, are highly versatile, relying on a system of customizable cybernetic augmentations and a burning willpower pool to pull off heroic feats. On the other hand, the tiny Punabs are physically squishy but compensate by piloting highly customizable, heavy-duty mecha suits, though keeping those suits running requires a heavy amount of party resources. Then you have the Oosters, who tap into the spiritual power of Om through various sects of enlightenment, though they must carefully manage the risk of core interference. Finally, the proud Sogmians must constantly uphold their personal honor codes to unlock their martial abilities. The event wrapped up with a fantastic moment of community co-creation. The planet of Avisco is a dangerous place, surrounded by an impenetrable energy shield that blocks all communication. Our brave players won't be alone in there. 7 other rival NPC parties will be racing them to the treasure. The host turned to the chat for suggestions on who those rivals should be, resulting in awesome ideas like a security force of Ugrika Industries Punabs and ruthless Darvik pirates. Keep your eyes peeled as this custom campaign prepares to launch, with community players like Atlas Theory, Saint Just, Gina Ray, and Larinor leading the charge. Make sure you don't miss the upcoming town hall to catch all the major announcements about the future of the metaverse, and stay tuned to the Lore Keepers channels for more updates. See you in the Gallia Expanse.